Oh no, did I move my camera? Balls, man. Is that better? Are you guys okay now? Oh no, I'm after ruining my mirrors. But anyway guys, how's it going? Moto Dragon here again, back with another video, and as you can see, I'm starting my video in a different spot. And that's because I have moved. Videos are going to start in different places now, which is great. But the only bad thing, which I didn't actually realise, is that there's no back roads from my new house. So I can't do any nice fun twisties, which is a bit of annoying. But I can, but they're not as nice as the way that like my normal ones. I have to fold my mirrors in when I'm getting the bike in and out of the shed now. So that means they're going to be messed up every single time. So that's a bit of a shame. Bit of a pain in the rooty tooty stanky booty. But anywho, I have a video, and I'm a video a lot sooner than I thought I would have. I just decided to try get the bike into the shed. Shed garage, which is what it is. Don't know, is that to me or he's getting a revy, a little rev bomb. Where to go? Country roads, filter up. Yeah, it's very tight getting the bike in and out of the shed, which for security is a good thing. But for getting in and out is a pain in the fucking hole. I've already scratched my exhaust, which I'm not happy about. But I should be able to buff it out. Not the biggest, not an end to the world, to be fair. But I just needed to get out. And it was also the first time that I had the bike on in my new area. And as I said, it's a terraced house. And you know, my bike's not fucking, that's one-way street, but anywho, my bike is not quiet by any means. Oh, look at here. I'm gonna go left. And especially when it's between houses, it's very, very loud. So I feel bad because I'm only new and I haven't even met the neighbours. I've met one of them and she's lovely. She's an L one, she's great. But the other one that's like, the other house that we're attached to, I haven't met yet because we keep missing each other. You know, if I'm going in, he's coming out. But I also don't want to just rock up to the house, just, you know, with COVID. I don't know what their situation is. So I'd rather not take any risks. I guarantee you're going straight. Yeah, you are. From the wrong lane. But hey, anywho, we'll pass each other eventually, considering we live, like, we're connected to each other, you know? It's weird. It's now been a week in the house. It's very strange, really weird, just, you know, waking up and it's like, okay, it's just us. I need an adult, I need a mammy there, you know. It's like everything, you know, when you're in the shop and you can't find something, instead of asking a worker, maybe I can ask a mammy, they'll know. It's been good though, and like yesterday, it's so fucking typical. We done our first like big grocery shop and we had to get loads of little stupid bits. And also, for anyone who hasn't like moved out yet, it's really expensive. It's all the little stupid shit that you never thought about, that all of a sudden you now need. And yeah, it's so annoying. Like, we spent €120 in Lidl yesterday, and we were that tired. We were like, alright, let's go get a fucking Supermax or McDonald's or something. So we got a Supermax. Even though we spent €120 on food, and then I'm just after spending another, like, I think it was €80 today on stuff. It's just, it's so annoying, but I love it. It's great. I'm excited because it's my own little space. I have my little office that's not quite done. We are waiting for the I'm gonna say glorious, but it's really not, IKEA to open. Because we're going to save so much fucking money getting stuff from IKEA than we would in any other, like a regular shop. So yeah, I need IKEA. I need to get the rest of my office sorted. I need to get a new desk and like a cabinet. So there's like a little cubby in my office and there's a little rail going across it. It's like an open wardrobe, but I want to get rid of that rail and stick like a wardrobe in there, so I can have like my helmet on the top. I can have, you know, my bike gear hanging up, my boots at the bottom, my gloves, you know, stuff like that. So that's what I'm trying to do. Oh my god, you're going so slow, you're ruining the twisty roads. So that's what I need to wait for IKEA to open. Oh, it's not the best place to overtake, is it really? If I want to die, it's a great place, but oh, see, lucky. Is that a bonfire? I forgot I changed the traction control. Oh, you beauty! The front wheel came up and I didn't expect it to come up. I thought I was still in traction, like mode 3. Oh, here's a big fuck off dog. And that is why I know I just went fast there, but that's why I hate going fast in these roads. That dog will just jump out in front of you, and then, you know, your day just went from pretty decent, because you're on a bike, it's always decent, to terrible. Beauty. But now we're getting all the builds in. I'm like, I don't like this anymore. I really don't like it. I got half decent internet, which is good. I'm paying for 500 megabytes down. I don't really know what I'm meant to get up, but so far I seem to be getting between 50 and 80, which is very, very good, very usable. The Wi-Fi is shite, but wired connection is pretty decent. And annoyingly, I don't have the Ethernet adapter for my MacBook, so it's Wi-Fi, and it's so annoying. So I'm with Sky. I got Sky in the end just because it was the cheapest for what you're getting. I didn't need telly, I didn't need anything like that, you know, I didn't need any TV or movies. Like, I have Netflix or Disney Plus, so we're fine with that. It's literally just broadband. It sounds so old, broadband. But the modem that they give you, the Sky Hub, is so shit. If any of you guys have it, you know what I'm on about. Like, I have the PlayStation, my PlayStation wired directly up to the router, or modem, whatever the fuck you want to call it, because it's right in my office. I was very lucky with the way it worked out. The Sky like junction box is on the pole to the back of the house, and that's where the office is, so I'm delighted. And I have port forwarding set up. If you guys don't have port forwarding set up on your consoles and you're wired in, 100% do it. I went from getting like 70 meg wired to nearly 400. I'm excited to see, like, when I edit this video, when I upload it, how fast it'll upload. In the last house, the Wi-Fi or the internet itself wasn't too bad. I think it was 150 meg. I think there was about 30 upload. So the fact that I'm getting pretty much double that, and I was uploading my videos in like 15-20 minutes, I'm aiming for hopefully I get around the 10-minute mark for my videos. And my last video was like, especially with the new camera, because obviously double footage now, some of them were like 5 gig videos, so I'd be interested to see. Also, for those who are still watching, which I don't know if it's a lot of you, I've been thinking about doing some sort of live. I don't know, like, whether like a Q&A or something like that. I would actually love to stream, like do some gaming streaming on YouTube, but I was thinking of doing some like Q&A, maybe some just live session, just to chill out. And especially now, like, we're still in lockdown. Lockdowns after getting extended in Ireland again till April. So yeah, it's a bit of a ball. I still have a while left of this 5k shit, and I'm probably out of my 5k now, but just don't tell anyone. I won't tell if you won't. Deal? Deal. I'm actually not too far out, which is good. I'm trying to think of different stuff I could do, and Livestream did pop into my head, and I would really love to do my gaming livestream. I'm half decent at the fucking game. Oh my god, this road. No, Warzone, of course, like everyone. I'm alright at Warzone. I'm not the best and not the worst. I'll probably be above average, but not by much, if that helps anyone. All the gravel in the middle of the road. Come on. And then I'm actually one of the weird people that love Cold War. Been playing the shit out. I really like Cold War. I love just the Treyarch engine and mechanics are just so much nicer than Activision. But if you could get like the and I'm gone very geeky now, but if you could get the Treyarch mechanics, like game mechanics, with the Activision graphics and everything, that would be class. That would be a complete winner chicken dinner combo. But let me know, for those who are still watching, what you guys think of just like maybe a live stream. Oh, I keep saying live stream. Jesus, a live stream. You know, maybe every other month. Maybe a Q&A type deal. I haven't done one of them in a while. I would like to mention, because it was brought up. Oh, little birdie, you just booped the car. For those who are like long supporters, I done a giveaway for 1,000 subscribers, and I done a live stream. Fuck it, what? And I done a live stream for that, and I think 3 people got stickers. But then the person that actually won the main prize, which was like a €50 or 50, you know, equivalent to your currency, whether in the UK or the US or whatever, you know, €50 or equivalent, for like a bike shop of your choice kind of thing. And I done it once on live stream, and I mailed the person, and then I mailed them again a week later, and I got no reply, and I was like, right, I'm gonna leave for a week or two. And then I recorded another video, and I didn't do it live this time. I just recorded a video, and there was a different winner picked. So I emailed them, and I emailed them twice, and I was waiting for them to reply before I upload the video, so I could just say, yeah, look, they've already claimed the prize, so blah blah blah. And they never got back to me, so I done it again, and the exact same thing never got back to me, so that just stopped. Oh, they're building here now. Probably more houses or apartments, I would assume. Bit of a shame that no one got back to me at all, so I might have to do something again soon. I think the next time I do anything like that will probably be 2,000 subs, to be honest. So in like 3 or 4 years, with the way my channel's gone. I think the last time I checked was my subs was yesterday. I think I had 1297. But yeah, let me know if you guys are interested in like a live stream Q&A. If I get enough response, I'll probably do a video here for questions, and then on my Instagram. It'll just be the easiest way to do it. I'd say if you haven't already, go over and follow me on my Instagram. More than likely I'll just ask questions there, because it's very easy to actually ask questions and then get them collected, because it does it nicely for you. Sorry for like the shittier videos as they have been lately. Just, yeah, COVID has just been an absolute nightmare. But yeah, anyway guys, I guess the video, hope you enjoyed. Are you gonna turn here? Of course you are. Like, comment and subscribe. I'll talk to you on the next video. We frame everything. That's good to know.